What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. This is the afternoon video. If you haven't watched my morning episode, I highly recommend you do that because it's on some of the major blue chip cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, the S&P 500, stuff like that. But today we're going to be covering meme coins. I haven't covered meme coins in quite a long time. We're going to go back like 2 weeks. Oh, no, not even. I think it was later than that was the last time I covered crypto. Yeah, a little bit like 2 weeks ago was the last time I covered meme coins here. And a lot has happened in the past couple of weeks since then here. And that's pretty much what I want to talk about in today's episode here. You can see quick refresh of the current coin market cap. We have Doge up 12.4% for the past week. Shiba Inu's up 3.7%. And so these other cryptocurrencies are pretty much consolidating. Pepe up 20%. Dog with a hat up 27%. I've decided I'm going back and forth whether or not I want to cover other meme coins. You know, we have the major blue chips. We're going to cover Shiba Inu, Doge, and Floki today. But I do like Pepe and I do like Dog with a hat. I like Joe Biden. If these are cryptos you want to see, other meme coins you want to see, let me know down in the comments below if you want to see these cryptos added on. I'll cover them in the next video here. But there's definitely a lot going on right now within these cryptos here. Doge is showing some interesting signs. You can see where we left our charts, but since then we've made some better progress, some more progress here, and we're pretty much unveiling some interesting points here that I want to cover. You can even see with Floki, there's a beautiful point. It's either a bigger ascending or symmetrical triangle or a bull flag, which is forming here. Same thing goes with Shiba. I was actually playing around with this earlier today, and it looks really, really, really good. So I want to go over this with you in a little bit here. But with all that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's get right into it. So guys, to dive into today's video, I guess we'll start with Shiba Inu. If it pulls back up, let's get this back up. Let's pull up Shiba Inu, and now you can see how I do it here. I pull up Shiba, SHIB, and then we click on the Coinbase one. This is the graph that we have here. So starting back a couple of weeks ago, we pretty much ended it right around April, around early April here last month, and we were forming a massive symmetrical triangle. We have this huge flag pull up, and we started forming higher lows and lower highs, filling in this gap here. And at some point, we needed to make a decision, and we said very clearly, if we confirm closure above this downtrend here, which still stands true today, we close above it. On the daily, we can buy it in long, but if we confirm closure below it here, it's going to be a good opportunity to short. Easier on the 4-hour charts here. You can see kind of once we confirm closure below that, it was a big candle down. Don't get me wrong. It was a big candle down, but even then, we still had correction to the downside here. Regardless, though, this is the bull flag, though. This is a symmetrical triangle, clear as day. We confirm closure below it, and we dumped to the downside. Quite a drop nonetheless. Since then, we've recovered. We found some sort of support here, and then we started to consolidate more. And it's interesting because I extended the downtrend here, and it formed what appeared to be an even bigger fractal that was forming that I didn't realize. And now we're unveiling what appears to be a huge, and I mean a monstrous bull flag formation. This is clear as day. For those that don't know what a bull flag is, bull flag crypto, check this out right here. This is what one of those looks like. Binance futures, we have a flag pull up, flag down, breakout here, and it's typically in these lower high, lower low patterns here. We'll find some more here. Yep, so we have the prevailing trend, consolidation down, continuation up, and it's consistent here. Uptrend, bull flag breakout, uptrend continuation. It's consistent. Flag pull, breakout, flag itself. So that's pretty much what you need to see, and this is the flag pull length, and there's the flag exit, and this is the flag pull itself. So that's the and then the target, so on and so forth here. So looking at SHIB, it's absolutely insane to see the size of what is forming here. Like if we do something similar to that, we take the flag pole and we put it at breakout here, we can easily see us almost double. I mean, it's going to be a huge run if it does decide to happen here. We're talking about a 100% gain. It's going to double the price of SHIB, which is insane here, but you can see the size of this and how this is not a force to be reckoned with here. You can see with this uptrend here, we have clear lower high, lower lows, consistent movement here, and you can see clear as day we have multiple points of retest. 1, 2, 3. Here's number 4. We have 1, if not 2, 3 points on the bottom support, 2 to 3, and then 4 on the top here. And we're getting sandwiched and we're getting squeezed. Shiba Inu is getting squeezed in between here. This is day 3 now of retest on this resistance. If we can confirm closure outside of it, which I think might happen as early as this week on Shiba Inu, it's going to be straight up. And this is nuts. Like, it's literally nuts. It's going to be an explosion to the upside here that we can capitalize on if we can get in early. And that's kind of what I wanted to cover and why I wanted to show you guys this, because this is big news. A lot of the other cryptos, if you watch this morning's episode, are looking primed for breakouts as well. Like all the major cryptocurrencies have bull flag formations, and we're getting very close to retesting price ceilings, and this could ultimately break us to the upside. And I want to be there for it, and hopefully you guys too. So I'm excited to see the results of this when it does decide to happen. We might even have some other little tiny uptrend here. I mean, check that out. If we jump maybe to the 4 hour, you can see kind of the continuation pattern that we're starting to fill in. It's not that accurate, but it's enough to leave it on there. But you can see this kind of downtrend and what's forming here. This top resistance is the big one. And that's what we're waiting on. The lower we go, it is what it is. These typically are bullish in their definition here. So even if we confirm another correction here, at some point we will break through it. We will rally up, which is exciting, and that's pretty much what I'm waiting for to happen here. You can see a lot of these cryptos are doing it. Doge is doing something similar. It doesn't look like it right now. We have this kind of fractal forming here, but if I delete this, we start to extend this downwards here. It's very similar to what we saw before. Check this out. Almost like another bull flag forming here. We have a lower high, lower low pattern, consistent retest filling in this gap here. And you can see it's the same thing that we have to say. If we can confirm closure above this resistance, we can expect to see a long position. And you can see 3 days of retest and problems, 3 days of retest and problems on SHIB. Same exact things happening with Doge. At some point, it will confirm closure above it, and we will see a reversal rally to the upside. And that's what I'm patiently waiting for here, is confirmation above this resistance for us to be buying in and longing these cryptos to the upside. We'll do so on BidFi. It's the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. I don't know if you guys know about BidFi. They have all these meme coins that I'm talking about here, which makes them my favorite exchange. They have SHIB right here, 1,000 SHIB. They have Doge right here, and they even have Floki. And they even have a lot of the other cryptos that you guys like. Pepe's here. They have Dog. Now, I don't think they have Dog with a hat, but they have Pepe and a lot of these other meme coins. The big meme coins is on BidFi here, and you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, take profits, create stop losses. Everything that I do and talk about on my YouTube videos, I do it on BidFi, which is why I like them so much. So check out BidFi. Links down in the description. They have a demo account too, where you can practice trading skills. You don't even have to put real money in. They give you 50K in Monopoly money, like simulator money to test your skills. And then when you're ready, you can switch on over to the live account, which is really, really cool as well. I highly recommend you check this out as well. 50K. And then they even have a demo, or they have a rewards bonus of over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency right here by completing the new user advanced and exclusive tasks. I like it. I love it. You guys should check it out too. Just a recommendation. It is free to sign up with that link down in the description below. Anywho, lastly, looking at Floki here, which is also having an interesting pattern. We called this breakout as well, very similar to SHIB, where we had the kind of uptrend, this symmetrical triangle we broke down from it. Kind of is how Floki's looking too. Symmetrical triangle we broke down. Well, now there's a new formation, and it's almost like we can extend this out. It almost looks like we broke through it. That's the crazy part. It almost looks like we broke through this downtrend here, which is nuts. Another formation. Now it's forming into some sort of bull flag, similar to what we saw earlier. Bull flag. Could this be the breakout that we're looking for? It's very possible. Part of me thinks we haven't. Part of me wants to adjust this just a hair and say, okay, this is kind of what we're dealing with there. And it's very possible that this is more accurate. So that's why Floki's kind of on the back burner, but my focus mainly is SHIB for sure, and then Doge. But with that being said, that's it for today's video. Make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.